Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Valorant edits, especially montages, thrive on quick cuts, seamless transitions, synchronized effects, and impactful sound designed to highlight skill and create a visually appealing experience. CapCut, with its intuitive interface and powerful features, is an excellent choice for making these viral edits. This tutorial will guide you through mastering the basics of clean Valorant edits in CapCut, including montages, velocity, and slow-mo. Let's start with this first part, which is preparation, your foundation for clean edits. Clean edits start with good source material and even organization. So just record high quality gameplay. The resolution and frame rate is key here. Record at 1080p or 1440p at 60 frames per second or even 120 fps if your system allows. Higher fps means smoother slow motion. Let's get to the capture software as well. Use OBS Studio, which is free, or even NVIDIA Shadow Play or AMD Relive, or even this default snipping tool in Windows 11. Choose your music as well, crucial for montages. The music dictates the pace and the rhythm of your edit. Select a song with clear beat drops or impactful moments that you can sync your kills or highlights to. CapCut's built-in music library is a good starting point for royalty-free options. Now optimize your clips, save your raw Valorant clips in a dedicated folder, rename them descriptively, e.g. S, bind, raise, op, kill, split, jet, etc. We also have CapCut setup now. Download and install the latest CapCut version or even update it if at all you had it on your desktop or mobile. Start a new project in here. In here, just click create new project. You'll now be brought to this home page. Just import all your raw Valorant clips and your chosen music track. I had them here pre-recorded. So the second part is now the essential techniques for clean Valorant edits, syncing to the beat, which is montage core. This is the most crucial aspect of a good montage. So in here, just drag your chosen music track to the audio timeline. Now we have beat marking. So CapCut Audio Beats, which is AI powered, select the audio track here, look for a beats or match cut option. CapCut can automatically analyze the music and mark beats. We also have manual marking. You can play the music. When you hear a beat drop or a strong rhythm, just tap add beat icon on the audio track. This creates little yellow dots on the timeline as you can see here. Now align clips to beats. Identify the exact moment of your kill, headshot, or ability use in your Valorant clip. Trim your video clip so that the impactful moment, e.g. the bullet hitting the kill confirmation, aligns perfectly with a marked beat on your audio track. Use the split tool to isolate these key moments. And we also have velocity now and speed ramps, which is a dynamic flow. Velocity edits involves manipulating clip speed to create dynamic whoosh effects and emphasize moments. So in here, choose the Valorant clip where you want to apply velocity. Go to speed, so tap or click on speed in the toolbar here, properties panel. Now choose curve. This is where you get precise control. So presets, CapCut offers various presets like montage, as you can see here, hero time. Just experiment with this first as they provide a good starting point for common velocity effects. You can also have custom. So just the custom to create your own speed curve. You will see a graph here with beats or cycles like this one. Just drag a speed up to speed up that section of the clip or drag down to slow down that section, e.g. 0.5x. So you can add more beats to create finer control over the speed changes. Now we also have smooth slow-mo here. Crucially, enable smooth slow-mo, often an AI-powered feature. This interpolates frames, making your slow motion sections look fluid instead of choppy, especially if your raw footage isn't high frames per second. Let's get now to clean transitions. This is seamless flow. Avoid jump cuts. Transitions tie your clips together. So in here, just in between clips, tap the transition icon here like this, or just go to the transitions tab right here. Now, these are some of the transitions I would recommend for Valorant. We have light blur, which is subtle and clean. We also have flash, white or black flash here, especially good on beat drops. You can also have mix or blend. We also have distort effect or left warp. Just scroll through here and add a cool, aggressive feel. We also have motion blur, which enhances the sense of speed. We also have pull in or pull out. Now we also have duration. Adjust the transition duration to be very short, that is 0.1 to 0.3 seconds for snappy edits, or slightly longer, that is 0.5 to 1 second for more cinematic wipes. We also have now seamless transition tip here. Align a transition effect with a sound effect like whoosh or impact or a beat drop as well. Let's get to the visual effects, that is adding punch. CapCut's effects library is vast. Don't overdo it though, but use them strategically. Tap or click effects here in the toolbar panel. These are some of the effects I would recommend to you. We have lens flare or light leak, subtle lighting changes to emphasize a moment. We also have shake or camera shakes here, edge glow or neon edge. We also have chromatic aberration or glitch. Use sparingly for quick, impactful visual distortions, usually on kills and many more. Now adjust the intensity and range. Always adjust the intensity and duration here of effects to ensure they enhance, not overwhelm your clip. Let's get now to color grading, which is for cinematic look. Make your Valorant clips pop with consistent color. Just use this adjustment layer. Just click on adjustments here for consistent grading across multiple clips. We have these key adjustments. We have brightness or contrast. We have saturation. We have sharpen and many more of these. Just experiment them. You can also add text and overlays. So this one is for information and style. For titles and intros, use animated text templates for your montage, title, or player name. We also have kill feed or highlights. You can add custom text that mimics the Valorant kill feed for specific highlights. We also have player cards or agent icons. Auto captions is also here, which is AI powered. You can use it for subtitles. And now go ahead and review and refine. Watch the entire montage, check timings, audio levels, and visual consistency. Make small adjustments as well. Now go ahead and click export once you are satisfied. We have all these settings. Just export with high quality settings, either in 80p or 4K, 60 FPS, high bitrate, suitable for your target platform, either TikTok or YouTube. Now these are some of the pro tips for the cleanest edits. High FPS source footage. This is paramount for smooth slow motion. Less is more. Don't overload your edits with too many effects. Match the vibe as well. Let the music guide your edit spacing and effects. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try different effects, transitions, and settings. Utilize CapCut templates. Explore CapCut's built-in templates feature. Many Valorant montage templates exist, and which can give you a fantastic head start and inspiration. By following these steps, you'll be able to create clean, dynamic, and viral worthy Valorant edits in CapCut. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.